20 miles across and 14 miles wide, Yellowstone Lake is the largest high-elevation lake in Its 110 miles of coastline provide unlimited fresh drinking water to every species in the park during the winter. The liquid water is trapped below a sheet of ice 3 feet thick. Holes in the frozen surface marks where warm water gushes up from below as geysers, and hot springs rage beneath the lake's peaceful surface. As the result of Yellowstone's active geology, it's what gives life geothermal activity. It's why this alien world looks like no other place on Earth. And the curiosities it offers are endless.